I'm gonna do a quick video on unboxing the Stanley Fatmax Powered 1000 amp booster. This is good to have in your vehicles in case you lose air in your tire. It's good for jumping your vehicle off, and also you can check your alternator and see if it's good or bad. And this is the stuff that's in the package. And I'm gonna do a few other videos following this, and the links will be either in the top right or in the description below. And if you would like to purchase this power supply or power station, you can look in the links below, and I will also have a link at the top that you can go straight to my website. And I'm gonna just show you a few little things here on this power station. And right here is your red, which is your positive. And this lead is about 3 feet long. Like I said, and this go on your positive, and I'm gonna show you the correct way how to use it on the following videos. And this right here is your negative side. And your negative will not go on your battery. You make sure you ground it to the frame of your vehicle, something solid. But like I said, I'm gonna go through and show you how to use it. This right here is the inflator, the air inflator. And this thing is kind of hard to open up, but compared to other ones I've had, I like this better. This hose right here is about 3 feet long. You just screw it on your tire. And you also have this other little fitting if you need to air up a basketball or football or something. And it's really simple. This all, and it's not heavy. It's got an internal battery. And I was reading the instructions. It said if you don't use it within 30 days, you probably should charge it every 30 days for about 40 hours. And after each use, charge it for about 40 hours. But if you don't use it within 30 days, it's good. So just watch my other videos. And if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And again, look in the top right. You'll have drop downs for my other videos, and also in the description if you need to purchase this unit. Thank you and have a great day.